Hello folks, welcome to another video. So today in this video we are actually going to see about how to hack Oracle databases. So last time what we were saying is we were actually seeing some databases that are not actually Oracle, but now we are actually going to see specifically Oracle. The difference is actually it's not that much. The reason is you are just going to change the format of the payload that you are going to inject, but everything else is much same only. So I'll show you how we can do this. As you know, we are going to go to the category parameter, and before that I'll show you I have not logged into this website, and this is as you guys know is a demo website that have this vulnerability. So I'll just go here and go to the pets here, and you know that category has this. We can test this by putting a single quote, and you can see internal server error. So that gives the possibility that there might be a possibility that SQL injection can happen here. So the next step what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this payload. So the first target for me is to find all the tables that is present in this database. So in order to do that, I'm using this payload. As you can see, union select table name command null from all tables. So in Oracle, there is a table called all underscore tables that will contain the names of all the tables present in the database. That's what this query means. So I'm going to inject it here. And as you can see, I'm able to see all the tables that is present in this database. So my target here, my objective here is to log in as an administrator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a table called as users here, users. And this is the table that I'm interested in. So I'm going to copy this. And in the second query, as you know, the second query will list all the columns inside the table that we are trying to access. So instead of this, I'm going to paste this name. Union select column name null from all table columns where table equal to like this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it in this category parameter, and here. And as you can see, we are able to see there are three columns here, which we also call it as fields whenever we are mentioning database. So there are three fields here, and row is called as records. If you want to know other names, which is a technical term that is familiarly used with database related work. So these are the three columns that we need to access on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. So I'll copy this and paste it here. So in the third query, we are just going to access this database, sorry, this table, and we'll paste it here. And we are going to put username underscore abcdef. We have to put this value, because here the table name and the columns values are changing. They have given a template, like a general template to access, but we are going to change it to the template that we have in the table from the website currently we are accessing. Same way we have to change the password also, password underscore this value. Okay, we'll change that, remove 1a. I think the query is ready now. So we'll submit this query, and we should be able to see all the usernames and passwords here. And you guys can see now we are able to see all the users and passwords. I'll copy this, and I'm going to try to log in again here. So use administrator and this password. So I'll go to my account, administrator, already it's there, and for the password I'm going to paste this password. And as you can see guys, I was able to log in, and our objective is completed. So I'll just update my email as abc@gmail.com, and as you can see, I was able to log into this website by using this SQL injection as an administrator. So that means I have full control over this website as well as the backend database also. So this is how you do it in like Oracle like databases. I hope this is very interesting for you. So if it's interesting, please give a like. If you want to share with your friends, please share, and please subscribe to support me, and see you guys in the next video.